In front of me is Doogee S70, and let me show you how to locate IMEI number and also serial number on this device. So you've got two methods, two possibilities. Let me show you the quicker one. Just open the phone dialer, go to keypad then, and enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see right in front of you, you've got IMEI numbers included. Click on OK to close it. And now you can also open IMEI numbers along with serial number through settings. So just open the settings, scroll down, click on System, pick About Phone, and now under Status, you will be able to locate serial number right here. And if you click on IMEI information, you can smoothly read IMEI as well. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.